In this video, I'm going to show you how you can ensure the same date from a previous year is a workday in Excel. And I'm going to be talking about basically the North American where you get Saturday and Sundays off, so the rest of the week is a workday. And so quite often when you're comparing data from last year, you want to look at this year's data and last year's data, and you need to filter by the previous year's data to determine whether it's the same. So let's put in, for example, the end of the week is the 7th of July, so I'm going to put in 07/07/2023. Now, I'd like to know what if that date is a work day on the last day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my code here, and my code's called last year, and I'm going to run it. And it seems that the 7/7/0 from last year was a work day as well. So now let's delete both of these. And let's go 07/10/2023. And let's run this code again, and we'll go macros run. And so there you see the 10th is obviously a Sunday, and so now it changes it to the Monday. So let me show you what I did with the code. So it's called last year, and I've declared the date, this date as date, and last date as date. The date is ActiveSheet.Range B5. So we're using the worksheet function EndDate. So what I'm doing is I'm figuring out the last date is equal to WorksheetFunction.EDate, which is the start date minus 12 months. So now I do a couple of things to say. Now, if the application worksheet function weekday of the last date equals 7, so if it's a Saturday, then you're going to subtract one day, and the last date is going to be the last date minus 1. And if the application worksheet function, if the day is a Sunday, then what you're going to do is add one day, and that is it's going to be how it's going to calculate the day. So then it says after you've calculated the day, then it's putting the last year's date in the field here. I will of course include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.